Tell me about yourself.
First of all, thank you for giving me the opportunity to be part of this interview. My name is Edward, I come from Mexico. Recently I have completed my DAE in Computer Science from ABC College. And apart from that, I have 2 official software certificates, first CIT and the next one AutoCAD. I have knowledge and experience about computer. I am professional, hardworking and a fast learner person, and I am very eager to learn. I always completed my tasks on time, and I get along fine with people. And I also know about customer service, that how to deal with customers. That was all about me. Thank you, sir.